it is very important that we Muslims, whenever we do something, we have to trust in God, but we have to tie a camel. Tying a camel means when we do anything, we have to plan. When we plan, we are following the hadith of the Prophet. If we don't plan, we are not following the hadith of the Prophet. There is something called as goal setting. When we listen to the management gurus, they talk about goal setting, and they have an acronym called as SMART. S-M-A-R-T. S for specific, M for measurable, A for accessible, R for realistic, and T for time bound. This is the acronym. But I believe our goal setting should be not SMART, it should be Islamic. I-S-L-A-M-I-C. I for Islamic. Whatever goal you do, whatever goal you set, it should be matching with the teachings of Quran and Sunnah. All our goal setting, all our actions, all our deeds should be Islamic as per the teachings of the Quran and the authentic hadith. It should be as per Islamic Sharia. If it's against, we should not do it. Number one, Islamic. Number two, S. S is specific. Specific means it should be particular. Let me give you an example. Once, a teacher was teaching archery to the students. And the teacher said, I want you to aim at the bird sitting on the top of the tree. Aim at the eye of the bird. So all his 4 students, they take aim. They are doing archery. So the teacher asked the first student, all said, we have taken the aim. What do you see? The first student says, I see the forest. And in the forest is the tree. On the tree is sitting a bird, and I can see the eye of the bird. The teacher asked the second student, what can you see? The second student replies, I see the tree. On the tree is sitting the bird, and I can see the eye of the bird. The teacher asked the third student, what do you see? He says, I see the bird and I see the eye of the bird. The teacher asked the fourth student, what do you see? So the fourth student say, I see only the eye of the bird, nothing else. The teacher says, let the arrow go. And he leaves the arrow and it exactly hits at the eye of the bird. This means specific. Your goal should be specific, not vague, accurate. Third is L, I-S-L, Islamic. L is for lucrative. It should be beneficial. Most of the other people, they want it to be beneficial in this world. You know which is the best dua that we Muslims can do? And most of us know the dua, Rabbana atina fid dunya hasnatan fil akhirati hasnatan wa qina adhaban nar. Most of the Muslims know this dua, yes or no? It is a verse of the Quran of Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 201. Oh my Lord, give us the best in this world and the akhirah, and save me from the torment of hellfire. All of us know, yes or no?